Simplify each radical expression by adding or subtracting like terms. In exercise A, we have the opposite of the square root of 7 plus 16 plus 4 times the square root of 7. So, as we did with algebraic expressions that didn't involve radicals, sometimes we circle or otherwise notate the like terms. So I'll note that the opposite of the square root of 7 and the plus 4 times the square root of 7 are the like terms. And so I can combine those, remembering that we think of that as being a negative 1 times the square root of 7. And so I can write, well, negative 1 plus 4 is 3. I can combine those to 3 times the square root of 7, and then I'd have a plus 16. Exercise B. 6 times the square root of y plus 8 times the square root of 11 minus 7 times the square root of y minus 3 times the square root of 11. Again, let me identify the like terms. Let's see, I have a 6 times the square root of y and a minus 7 times the square root of y. Those are like terms. And in another color, I'll use brown here, plus 8 times the square root of 11 and minus 3 times the square root of 11. Those are like terms. Alright, so then this would give us 6 minus 7 is negative 1. So I'll write negative square root y. And then I have plus 8 times the square root of 11 minus 3 times the square root of 11. 8 minus 3 is 5, so I'll write plus 5 times the square root of 11. And neither of these are like terms, so they cannot be combined any further. Exercise C, we have 4n squared plus 5x times the square root of 3 plus 3n squared minus 15x times the square root of 3. And again, let me identify any like terms. Let's see, we have a 4n squared and a plus 3n squared. Those are like terms. And I have plus 5x times the square root of 3 and a minus 15x times the square root of 3. Those are like terms. Alright, so this is equivalently, let's see, 4n squared plus 3n squared is 7n squared. Plus 5x times the square root of 3 minus 15x times the square root of 3. 5x minus 15x is negative 10x. So I'll write minus 10x times the square root of 3. Exercise D, we have 3x minus 7 times the square root of x. So we would first need to identify any like terms. And there are no like terms in this expression. Even though they both involve the x, one is an x to the first and the other is a square root of x. So these are not like terms. So this expression cannot be simplified further.